So Ron says that he can pull apart 0.34 in more than one way, or 34 hundredths, if you want to read it that way. So he's done this way. So remember, the tenths always go on the left, the hundredths always go on the right, and there are two parts that come together to make a whole. So 0.34, Ron says, can be made by a 0.3 or 3/10 and a 0.04 or 4 hundredths. Well, yeah, you can see if I put those two together, they would make 0.34. So have a look at a second example. Well, this time he's used one less tenth. So he's going to need 10 more hundredths on the other side. So he's exchanged 1/10 for 10 hundredths. So 0.2 and 0.14 bring together will make 0.34. And his final example, he's now taken away another tenth from his tenth part in order to make an exchange. So he's exchanged 2/10 for 20 hundredths, but it still makes the same amount. So 0.1 and 0.24 would come together to make 0.34. So what we have to do now is do the same, but for 0.45. So I have set up 3 place value part whole models ready in order to do this. So in the first one, I'm going to go very simply and go, right, 0.45 is made of 4/10 and 5 hundredths. Okay, it's a nice easy start. Right, let's go on to the next one now. Well, I noticed when Ron did it, he just took away a tenth. So I'm going to put 0.3. I've taken away 1/10. I'm going to add 10 hundredths into the hundredths column. So instead of 0.05, I'm going to put 0.15. So you can see I've put in a tenth or 10 hundredths to help me. Right, and this last example, okay, I'm going to take away one more tenth. So I'm going to have 2 tenths. So this time I'm going to need 25 hundredths, or 0.25. And I can see if I put 0.2 and 0.25 together, it would make 0.45. So hopefully you were able to partition in a few of the same ways. Have a look at mine and check your answers.